Hey, I'm Dave. Welcome to my shop. Today in Dave's Garage, we're going to take a quick look at the weirdest chemical I've run across in quite some time. It is a magical sticker remover, and you'll see why I use the word magical in just a second. So I have a computer programming channel on YouTube, and as part of that, I had some boxes with stickers, and I had to take the stickers off the boxes for reasons that aren't important right now. They're a cardboard sticker with a paper label that is incredibly hard to peel off. There's just no getting your nail under it. It's one of those things you can never get it off in one piece. It frays. It's crazy. You take a razor blade, now you're cutting the box. There's no good solution, really. But I tried it, and it worked really, really well. So then I was so impressed, I went around trying to take stickers off jars, everything I could find, and it was taking everything off everything. And I was thinking, what's the worst case that I could invent for this product? I figured toilet paper and super duct tape, which is really sticky. And if you stick those together, that's permanent, right? There's no coming back from that, no matter what you try. I mean, they don't come apart, period. Or do they? Let's find out.
Go ahead and ignore all these Sony camera lenses here. I was actually filming about something else when this whole project kind of interrupted my day. So I went to the actual restroom and I got 2 squares of what I'm thinking are Charmin. So just whatever we had on hand. It's not fancy prop paper or anything. And this is my real daily duct tape, which is the best duct tape I've ever found. And I'll put a link to that in the description as well, actually. And to make sure they're really stuck together, I'm going to roll them with a wallpaper seam roller because I'm convinced it doesn't matter how well they're stuck together. It actually seems to deactivate the glue entirely. I'm going to flip this over. That way the deactivator will soak through to the glue faster, and we're all busy here. And it'll allow you to see the backside. For reasons that will become clear right away. Speaking of things becoming clear, this solvent penetrates really quickly because it's super thin. It has no surface tension. It's pretty amazing stuff, actually. But you think that's cool, watch this. Yeah, that's right. Gravity alone pulls it off. The glue is totally inactive. So it'll stay in this state where the glue is not even tacky on the tape for as long as the solvent takes to dry. And it does dry really quick. Of course, I'm speeding things along here, but it dries quicker than water, quicker than alcohol even, I would say. Notice this now, when it's dry, I can put this tape back on the paper. And it still works. The tape is totally sticky again, like nothing happened, and the paper is paper again, like nothing happened. And if I go to take them apart, I'm going to have the exact same result. There you go. Inseparable. Bonded like a duck to its mother. There's no way to get it apart. And that's why they call it duct tape. Little known fact. This solvent could probably pay for itself simply with bets against your friends on whether you could actually remove duct tape from toilet paper. It's a definite Blue Crew thumbs up.
So what is this magic elixir that literally makes labels fall off?
I've put handy dandy links right in the description of the video, so check there, you'll click on them and it'll take you right to Amazon.
After all, you could be in California, and this is not allowed in California. No, 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 no. They do make a version of it for California, but it's not quite as good. But the stuff you can get in 49 states, baby, yes, it is good. Links in the description. Oh, I didn't even mention, it's got like 5-star reviews almost exclusively, well, 83% or something like that, and then 4-star reviews and so on. So if you use the Amazon affiliate link in the description, it will take you to obviously the product page. There'll be no additional markup, it's just normal retail. I get a couple of cents kickback at the wholesale level, which is nice for me, but I want to assure you I have no other vested interest in the company. I don't own any stock, I don't work there, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. If you like my demo, please share it somewhere. Post on your Facebook page. If you have like 100,000 followers or more, then please tweet it. Even 10,000. I'm not that picky, really. Now, I don't know if it's true or not, but I've heard rumors that there are some broken thumbs up buttons on YouTube. You might want to test yours now by clicking on mine just to see what happens. If it turns blue, all is good. If it's gray, you never know. You may want to try clicking on it now in order to turn it blue and make sure it works. Join the Blue Crew. If, however, you did not find the video or demo interesting, then give it the old double down vote. That always sends me a strong message. Thanks, and have a lot of fun taking stickers off. Don't take them all off the first day. Save yourself some for the second. And if you're a computer programmer or you want to know more about all these weird lights going on around here, check out my channel. Thanks, and have a great night.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Carl. C-A-R-L, Carl. I'm the cameraman. Good night, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe.